Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know it's been a while. It's been a while. You know, honestly, the day after Halloween, I got sick, and gosh, it's literally just been that first week. Last week was myself, and then this week it's been my family. So again, trading has definitely given me the opportunity to be able to really be able to when I get sick like that, or things like that happen with the family. It allows me to really be able to step back and really be able to take the time to recover. And I've really done that. I don't know how to turn things off completely, because I really truly love what I do. There were a couple days that I did trade, didn't do too bad. And again, I have a very simple strategy, so able to just kind of jump in and jump out, with the bag, and that's what I hope that I've been able to kind of show you guys as well. It's just really not overcomplicating this, and really utilizing trading as a skill set. That if you learn the skill set, I'm telling you guys, like, it will allow you to really be able to have time freedom. It'll allow you to be able to really get in the markets, be able to grab a quick bag, and get out. Again, as you can hear, still a little raspy, a little horsey. We'll definitely take this weekend to really just recoup, and really come Monday, really excited about really getting things back on track. We're also going to be setting up a lot more with with the podcast as well, the revenue channel, and really kind of talking to a lot of these experts and a lot of these winners in the field of trading, and just entrepreneurship. I feel like right now, especially, there's just a lot of uncertainty right now, as far as just what should we be doing, what should we be focusing on, where should we be putting our money, what are some opportunities out there. Again, great time to definitely start businesses, great time to definitely really put your money in assets right now. Millionaires come from downtimes and recessions. And so again, being scared right now, it's definitely not the time to be scared. It is definitely time to be careful, but definitely now is not the time to definitely be scared. You want to definitely make some great moves right now, and really prepare for what's next. So we're going to definitely look at really kind of what's happening right now. Again, I don't really do a whole lot of analysis, to be honest with you. I really I don't prepare for my sessions. I literally just jump on and I look for opportunities right where I'm at. I look at opportunities right now, in this moment, and that's what I'm looking for. And again, if the market doesn't show me anything, I'm not going to obviously push anything. And also keep in mind that 95% of this trading game is mental. Again, I haven't been feeling good. So again, forcing myself onto the market, when I'm not feeling well, again, it just doesn't make sense. And again, the days that I got on, I was able to get a bag. Yesterday I got on. I think we finished the day. I think I took about 5 trades yesterday, and finished the day with about $3,500 in profit. So again, you don't have to do much. Once you learn this skill set, you're able to, like I said, be able to get in and get out, and get in and out very easily with a bag. Like I said, you watch a lot of channels. They do a lot of analysis. They break things down. I don't do that. I definitely am not that type of trader. I look for low-hanging opportunities. I look for opportunities where I can just get in and get out. I like to obviously go with the trend of where the market's going and what the market's doing. So yesterday, for example, we did yesterday. Let me just put this date in. Yesterday's date was the 9th. Okay, so yesterday we did 39.94, and that was literally 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 6 trades. I took a loss for $240, and my biggest win was $19.50, and that was a total of about 33 points on that move. So again, I am high leverage on this account, and my goal is to definitely just get in and get out. And so what we're looking at right now is obviously this morning. There was a huge candle here. This was at 10:30. Actually, I'm sorry. Let's go back here. Let's pull this up here. Chicago time. this candle was at 730. Okay, we can also look at Forex Factory. We can look at forexfactory.com, and we can look at what kind of news CPI was this morning at 8:30 a.m. Which again makes complete sense. CPI news. There's always going to be a reaction on CPI news. This morning, we saw numbers lower than what they were anticipated forecast. They were forecast higher than what they actually were. And so again, the market rallied at 7:30 around that. And then obviously we've been in consolidation stage since then. Okay, one or two things are going to happen. I mean, and again, this is how I play this market. We're either going to go up or we're going to go down. Okay, so again, you have a 50-50 chance of really picking the right direction. Obviously, this isn't a guessing game. Obviously, based off of what we saw this morning, we are in an uptrend based off this 5-minute chart. Okay, based off this 5-minute chart. I like to definitely look at the 15-minute chart as well. Okay, the 15-minute chart definitely tells me, obviously we're in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend on this 15-minute. Okay, again, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a pullback. I'll be honest with you. If I was to be really, really patient, I would look at liquidity right here. At the bottom of this 33,200 area. Okay, but my goal right now is honestly just to get in and get out with about 3 or 4 trades because of where I'm leveraged at. So again, I'd like to see this thing pull back down into this consolidation stage and then make a rally up. Okay. Again, obviously, as you can see, we respected this here. We respected this 3050. Okay, we respected this 33,450. Okay, some scalpers could possibly take a move off of that right there. To the downside. Okay, if you would have caught that tap there. Okay, again, you would be obviously in about 50 point kind of profit right now if you did so. Again, I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for a retest. Okay, what I'd like to do is I'd like to see a retest off of, here we come. We're coming off to this area right here. I'd like to see a retest off of this area right here. So this 33,350, that's kind of going to be my zone that I'm working with. 33,350. Okay. All right. So again, I like to see this thing come down. This 33,350 is kind of the zone that I'm looking for. Again, appreciate you guys. Definitely tap in where you're chatting in. Definitely throw some sevens in. Definitely thank you for coming on. Definitely let me know where you're at in the chats. We're going to definitely be doing, obviously, we're going to get a lot more consistent with this. Like I said, the last couple of weeks have just been, there's been some things going around. Just like I said, it started with myself. And then this week, my daughter's been sick, and she's literally been out of school all week. And so, really just giving me some time to really spend time with her. Just really make sure that we're good. Obviously, I've been doing, some content creation. Again, I love what I do. Again, I don't necessarily just cut things completely off because, again, what I do is just part of my life and part of what I, just really wake up to do and just content creation. But again, I did slow down a little bit over the last couple of weeks. As far as just really being consistent in the sense of just getting on sessions and things like that. Again, if you're able to establish a skill set that allows you the time freedom to be able to do so, you're able to do that. You're able to really be able to take the time that you need. Because again, when your body's talking to you and your body's telling you, slow down, your body's telling you to take some breaks. If you're not in a position to be able to do so, you can never heal and you can never get better because you're just constantly on the go. And so, these last couple of weeks have been great to be able to just really step back, be able to analyze really where my businesses are at as well. Really focus on mindset, really focus on just, health and just get well and better. And really just be able to step back and really put myself now in a position to be able to move forward, really closing out this year strong and just very excited about that. So again, I'm looking at I'm looking at this black bull here. This is what I haven't marked up on. I'm going to be taking a market execution because this is about 25 points off of my normal account. And so again, I'm going to be taking a market execution at this 33.50. At this 33.50, my stop loss would be about 25 points, just to be conservative. Okay, so let's just break this down. So once I get this entered in, okay, if we're gonna put a stop loss, this is kind of where I would put my stop loss here. Okay, so again, what I would look at is I would look at this, anything below this 33.50. Okay, anything below. So again, as you can see here, we're in between the top of this candle here over here and this wick. Okay, so again, there's almost a 20 point kind of zone here that we're looking at. Okay, and again, I'm going to try to obviously get as low as I can. Okay, and then obviously my stop loss will be about 25 points below that. Okay, so again, that's just kind of what I'm doing, and I'll probably take to about 2 or 3 entries right at that mark. Okay, when it comes down into that point. All right. So again, just to confirm. Okay, just to confirm. Okay, what we're looking at here is we're looking at this zone right here. Okay, this is kind of a zone. This is a zone. Okay, because here's the deal. This is an area of this is a structure that was broken. Okay, and again, we've literally, this was a floor. Okay, we're gonna play this floor. We're gonna play this floor. So what we're looking at is that we're looking at the top of this candle and the top of this wick where we actually had a reversal here. We then smacked off of this 33.250. We then shot back up. We respected this. We then came all the way back down. Okay. We then shot back up. We then started kind of respecting this area here. This is kind of the area that we've seen respect, and this is kind of what we're going to shoot for. Okay. Okay. Again, this is kind of even probably a little bit premature here. Like I said, we could even get into this 33.325 area. Okay. And again, if she comes all the way back down there, my stop loss would then be about 25 points below that at 300. And again, my goal would be, to just get in and get out, to be honest with you. If I have, about 3 or 4 trades open, my goal would be to get in and get out. If I can get 20 points on each of them, 60 points total, that would obviously just be the day. Okay. So again, that's what I'm being patient for. We're gonna sit here and wait. So again, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody's been well. Again, thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys so much for definitely checking in. But at the end of the day, like I said, trading has given me the opportunity to be able to really know a skill, be able to tap into a market at any time that I want to. And again, understanding more and more about the emotional and the mental and the psychological aspect of trading. If you're not mentally, or you're not capable, or if you're having a bad day or whatever that case is, there's so much mental and there's so much psyche that goes into trading. Don't force it. Don't do it. Because again, you need to be level-minded. You need to definitely, be patient. And again, when you're just not feeling well and your body's just not feeling well, some of those things can be missing. So again, obviously doing sessions every morning. I've had a cough. My throat's been dry, just a sore throat. So again, just also just my sleeping habits have been off as well. So again, there's days that I'm up throughout the night, just because again I've slept throughout the day. So again, this weekend, definitely excited to definitely get the sleeping patterns back on track. Again, like I said, the last couple of weeks have just been again hasn't been COVID or anything like that. It's just been a virus, a cold. Started with myself right after Halloween that Tuesday, and then just fighting it. And then this week it's been my daughter, and so like I said, just really taking it easy, just really taking a step back, slowing things down. Really focusing on my health, really focusing on getting better. Again, it's been great to be able to do that, and to be able to have something like trading that allows me to be able to really take a step back. There have been some sessions that I've done personally here and there, but again, it definitely has not been documented as, again, just haven't physically and mentally been there to definitely do so. But again, I definitely appreciate definitely the love, for sure. I definitely appreciate people checking in, again, I'm excited, to definitely get things moving forward, finish this year out. You guys should be excited. There's some, obviously we're talking about a recession right now. We're talking about things slowing down. We see banks, we see big company layoffs, Meta. But again, it's definitely a time not to be afraid. It's definitely a time to definitely make some power moves. Again, if you prepare properly and you make the right type of moves. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Maribel. Sorry. Definitely prayers for you and your family. That's tough. But again, 95% of this trading journey is it's psychological. It's psychological. And if you're not mentally right, if you're not, willing to be patient, if you're maybe feeling anxiety, if you're feeling anger, or if you're just not in that mental state to be able to just sit here and be able to be in a good solid state of mind to do trading, again, it's just not worth it. It's definitely, you will lose. It will be frustrating. You will start questioning yourself, things like that. So again, I'm glad that you took some time, Maribel, and really just we need to do so. We're human. We need to, when the universe is talking to us, we need to listen. We need to be disciplined to that. Again, if we don't listen, obviously it can just, kind of spiral, in very bad directions. So we have to listen. So again, we're getting ready to come into the zone, guys. We're getting ready to come into the zone. We're just going to be patient. We're going to be patient and wait. We could obviously take this 33,400 as well. I will do that. So once I get into this here, I will look at some small scalps off this 33,400. But again, I'd like to kind of bounce and then ride up. And we could possibly ride back up to this 33,450 as well. I don't know that I'll hold a trade all the way up to that zone, but we'll see what happens here. Like I said, I'm going to try to grab about 3 or 4 positions right when this happens. Again, I'm going off of market execution just because, again, I marked up off Black Bull, which I normally use when I'm utilizing my my prop account. But I'm trading off of my COP4 account right now, and so using my COP4, I usually use common. That matches up pretty well. But again, it's about a 25-point difference. Not a big deal. I'll simply just be patient. I'll look at market executions, and we'll go off of that. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Again, we're back. Definitely, it was just a virus and illness, just in my family, and we're good, and just holding it down, again, really taking the next 3 days to really, prepare for the upcoming week, my sessions. Also, again, just we're going to be getting some gurus on, some people from financial markets, to kind of talk. We're going to be pushing out some content on the revenue channel. So definitely stay tuned with that. Obviously, Gesture, I haven't been as much as involved on the day-to-day with that. But again, I will definitely be doing some posts with that, looking at some influencer stuff with that as well, just kind of pushing some content out on that as well. But again, just a lot of great things happening, guys. And like I said, right now is the time not to be scared, but to really look at what is your next move. Millionaires come from recessions. Millionaires come from opportunities. Again, I feel like the end of 2022 is going to be the time to be able to really start buying up assets, crypto. And I feel like 2023 is going to be a breakout year for many of these different, directions that we're seeing. Travel, Amazon. We're going to see a lot more when it comes to crypto in that space. I think obviously, it grew tremendously. Obviously, it grew a lot faster. And again, we saw that during COVID. We saw companies just needing to pivot, made some pivot points. Now we're kind of now things are kind of shaking out and things are kind of normalizing, I would say. Again, it's kind of like we're in a consolidation stage right now. Obviously what goes up must come down. We consolidate, we figure some things out, we get our wheels underneath us, and then we shoot to the moon. So that's kind of where we're at right now. So, definitely guys, definitely hang tight. Like I said, stay connected, really, stay up to date as far as what's going on in these different opportunities that are out there. Like I said, now is not the time to be afraid. We definitely have to be very strategic in the moves that we make. We have to be, calculated risks. But at the end of the day, it's definitely time to take some risks if you're in a position to do so. So, definitely prepare for that for sure. So I like to see this thing drop. Like I said, I just wanted to kind of get on here, see if I can just kind of get into something real quick. Again, as you can see here, we didn't come fully to our zone. I'd like to see this consolidate, come back down, and then boom, kind of give us a shoot up. Okay, but again, what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing to this 33,450. So again, if we can have her come back down, we're on a 5-minute chart right now. Obviously, as you can see, we're still making new highs. We're still making new highs. So again, I don't know that we're going to come completely down to this 33,550. Okay. Let's look at let's move this up a little bit here. I don't want to move that. All right, perfect. Cool. So this is kind of the zone. So if she comes back into this zone, because here's the deal. She's making higher lows. Okay, look. Higher, she's making she had a lower high here. She had a higher low here. She made a higher low here. Okay. She then just broke this support here. She just broke this support. Okay. She just tapped off of this again. So if we could see her fall into this zone here and then get one good push, boom, I feel that we break through. Okay, I'm not looking for her to break through though, honestly. If I can get in at the bottom of this wick here, okay, that will be a nice 75-point grab. Okay, and I'll be completely happy with that. She's respecting that 33.5 for that 450. She's respecting it. Okay, so again, I possibly don't see her coming all the way back down to this 33.50. Okay, like I said, come into the zone, fill this wick here, and let's ride. All right. So yeah, so we're just gonna be patient here. We're just gonna be patient and wait for her to come back down into the zone, and we're gonna grab about 3 or 4 trades, and we're out. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys are all doing well. Again, definitely very exciting. Just very exciting times. Again, we can be afraid, we can be fearful, we can be negative. But again, gosh, we're alive. It's we have so much opportunity in front of us. And again, what you do with that is up to you. And again, we have a great community that is just doing great things. But again, it's also an opportunity where, being able to actually break apart and be able to start sharing your story. And, I think we're in an era right now where your personal brand is so important. Whether it's going out and opening new, career doors, whether it's entrepreneurship, your personal brand is so important. And you guys see, and again, hopefully I've been an example of that, in the sense of just, really the different things that I'm doing. Obviously, I like the revenue aspect. I like the sales aspect. I like the relationship building aspect of organizations. And again, the coolest CRO is really kind of my personal brand that I've really kind of come out, with, where again we've put a character with it. We've built some things around that, and just really driving that character, and again, just really allows me to really open up doors, allows me to really be able to open up conversations, gets people curious, kind of sets me apart as well. So again, how are you setting yourself apart? What are you doing to really set yourself apart from other people, and really kind of giving yourself that lane to really maneuver and move, get away from the noise, and really share your story with people. I encourage you guys to definitely do that. I encourage you guys to definitely share your story, with people, share your story with, with your communities, get involved, and again, just go out there and you'll attract those that, you'll attract like-minded individuals, like yourself. And, again, find ways to definitely do so. So again, we got a red candle here. We're obviously not ready to break that 450. We're respecting it. So again, we're going to see, again, this is just simple price action, guys. Okay, we respected it, came back down. Okay, we hit off of this 33.50, came back up, respected it. Okay, now we're going to see, okay, and again, like, I would even get into this zone right here a little bit, move this up, just due to the fact that we have a ceiling here, broke, respected, came down here, broke through here. Okay, so again, this is kind of an area that she's teeter-tottering off of. Okay, I'd like her to fill this wick, to be honest. So we're gonna stick with that. I'd like her to fill this wick. I'm gonna be patient. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not desperate to get into anything. Again, we could have taken this 400 right here. Okay, we could have taken this 400 here. I want her to bounce back down. So we should be patient. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this candle. Let's go. And again, guys, as you can see, we just change our positions. We change our positions. We get closer to our target. We set up shop and we wait. Okay. Again, it's like hunting. Okay. We don't start running. This thing will run faster than we can. So again, we have to just reposition ourselves, set up our zone, wait for her to come into our zone, and boom, we take our shot. Okay. We take our shot. All right. So again, we don't chase. We could possibly be chasing this 450 here. Again, You know, if we took this 450, we'd have to monitor it very, very close. I'd rather get down here, okay, below this 33,400, and then obviously set up boom, 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 you know, along the way here, okay. But again, honestly, we're not even going to have that type of session here. We're literally going to get in and get out very quickly here, to be honest. Like, this is going to be it's going to happen very fast. We're just waiting for her to pull down, waiting for her to you know, catch her breath a little bit, and then we're going to move on up. And as you can see, I don't draw trend lines. Well, you can see this trend line here. I mean, you can draw it if you'd like, but again, there's a trend line here. Okay, you can see that she's making newer highs. Okay, you can see that she's making newer highs. Okay, if she breaks this and closes above, we look for a retest. Boom. Okay, we have 1:24 left on this candle. Okay, and again, we just reposition. We don't chase. We set up an opportunity. We wait for her to come into our zone, and we take the opportunity. Okay, we're obviously taking buys. We're looking for a buy opportunity. But again, there will be a retest. She will retest to a certain zone. Okay, there will always be a retest. Where will she retest to? Again, that's the whole game. That's the whole question. Is that where is she going to retest to? Okay, where is she going to retest to? What is she going to do? Okay, obviously we see that she's making newer highs. Okay, and again, we have 42 seconds left on this candle. Is she going to break above? Then we have to be patient and wait for a retest off of this zone here. Okay, to know that it's real. To know that it's real, because she tried to fake us out here. She tried to fake us out here as well. Okay, we do have 25 seconds left on this candle. We have 25 seconds left on this candle. Okay, I'd like to see a wick here. I'd like to see a wick here. If we get a wick here, it supports what we're talking about. If she breaks and closes above, we're definitely moving up into this zone here, and we're going to wait for a retest, and we're going to continue up. Okay, so again, broken closed above, not a big deal. Okay, we're not in any trades right now, so this is kind of where I would look at right now. All right. All right. Cool. So this is it. This is where we're at. So we just move. We're on her trail. We're on her trail. We're on her trail. We're putting some food out. We put some food out. We want her to come back. We put some food out. We want her to come back. We're on her trail. Okay, we're on our trail. She's not ready to stop yet. So I will be taking these trades off the 5 minute. Yep, off the 5 minute. So what I'm looking at here is I'm looking for a retracement off of this 33,450 area. Okay, looking at a retracement off of this 33,450 area. Okay, look at this. We broke this structure, guys. We broke this structure. So what she had been respecting, she finally broke through. Finally broke through. Let's put this halfway point here, our halfway marker. And on some of your brokers, this may be the 500 mark here. This may be the 400. So again, like again, depending on what you're working on. Like I said, we're not taking any mark, and we're doing market executions just because again, what I have this marked up on. I obviously can switch over to common. I don't want to do that. I don't want to take the time to redraw these lines, to be honest with you. So again, I'm going to be taking market executions. My goal is honestly 3 or 4 trades and I'm in and out. Honestly, that's really what I'm looking at for this morning. I want to retest off of this area here. I want to retest off of this ceiling. What was a ceiling? I want to retest off of that. Okay, she respected, then finally broke through. So now come back down, retest me, and continue up. The 1 minute, you can definitely move off the 1 minute. You can definitely move off the 1 minute. You know, definitely, Reggie. You can move off the 1 minute. You know, obviously we're later in the session, to be honest. You know, we're coming to the end of obviously London, you know, she's had a lot of her moves already. We're just trying to catch a move. So again, you can go off of the 1 minute. We can go off the 1 minute, absolutely. It definitely does not change. As you can see here, consolidate, breakout. Okay, so we want her to come back down. Okay, we want her to come back down, and again, the 1 minute definitely even shows us even a better view of it. Okay, look, boom, came in here, respected it, kind of respected it, broke through, consolidate, boom, breakthrough. Okay. So again, we want to see this break. We want to see this fall. And honestly, like based off this 1 minute here, we can kind of come into this section here. Okay. So go back out to the 1 minute here. I mean the 5 minute. And again, this is kind of where I would definitely see. So again, you know, not bad at all, Reggie. Again, I was just looking at the 5 minute, 5 minute, man. Honestly, like it's just smaller movements. That's all that it is. You know what I mean? I like this zone though. I like this zone. What it looks like on the 1 minute. I like this here. Okay, I like this. So again, let's see if she comes back in here. And really what we're looking at is we're looking for her to come into this wick here. We're looking for her to come into this wick here. All right, cool. Hope that helps, man. Like again, here's the deal, man, is that I love it. I love honestly, you know, really finding your strategy, what works for you. You know, this is obviously what works for me, the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15, okay, especially in scalping. I don't necessarily look at anything really higher than the 15, honestly. Like I'm definitely not taking trades off the 15. I'm looking at structure on the 15 and what she's really respected. And then obviously on the 1 and 5, that's what we're really looking at, you know, where can we get in? Okay, so obviously as you can see here, the 1 minute shows, okay, a lot more definition, okay? It shows, okay, a lot more definition on this zone here, okay? The 5 minute shows a big wick, all right? So again, let's see if she pulls down, you know, again, man, that's a good, almost, man, that's about 30 points that she needs to drop. Not a problem at all. She can do that. Not a problem at all. She can do that. All right, guys. let's get ready to get into something here. She comes into our zone. I'm going to open up 3 or 4 positions, and we're done. And again, guys, there's not a whole lot of analysis here. This wasn't an overnight analysis. This wasn't, anything big. Like, again, like once I opened up the chart, I saw where she was at. I said, where can I set up my trap? And that's honestly all that I do. Again, I don't, and then again, I just move along with her and I wait for the right retest. That's all that I simply do, is I just wait for the right retest. I wait for the right retest and I catch the move. Okay. Again, I honestly don't spend all day on charts. I don't analyze. I literally have one currency that I trade, US30. I don't look at S&P 500. I don't look at NAS. I don't look at anything else but US30. That's all that I trade. And I'm literally in and I'm out. Okay. Again, we've just gotten a lot tighter. We've gotten a lot more patient as far as what we're taking. It's about quality, not quantity. And again, you guys have definitely seen that change in myself, where again, I just was not, there were a lot of pullbacks that I was getting, I wouldn't say caught in, but again, I was just simply taking trades where I didn't need to take trades. And now we're just a lot tighter, just a little bit more patient. And we're just not rushing, we're again, just enjoy the process, guys. Enjoy the process as far as where we're at. Like I said, I didn't plan on even getting on this morning. I kind of sat down. I kind of saw where she was at, and I said, "Hey, you know what? Let me jump on a live." Again, as you guys can see, I'm not on a Zoom or anything like that. Again, I just wanted to kind of just jump on. I hadn't been on for gosh, I think the last time was Tuesday or Wednesday of last week. And so again, just wanted to just get on and just kind of, talk through what I was doing this morning. I definitely caught some people on. So awesome. Definitely, love to chat it up whenever I can. Definitely love to see, let you guys see what I'm doing. Like I said, this was definitely not a planned session at all. I was definitely going to take today just to kind of rest, finish out the weekend. But again, like I said, I sat in front of my computer and I just was like, hey, I'm going to jump on. Let's have some fun. And then that's what we did. So let me blow this up real quick. So let's just be patient here. What are we doing on this 1 minute? I'm going to move this here. We're going to try to get into something here. All right, we're on her heels now. All right, so again, here's the deal. If she comes into here, I don't want her to completely fill this wick. All right. Slam down again. Slam down again. We got 13 seconds left. Boom, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. We got 4 open. We got 4 open. There we go. Let's go. We got 4 open. We got 4 open. I'm about to start taking bags. Close. Let's go. Big push up. Big push up. US30. Let's go. We got 4 open right now. We got 4 open. Boom. Took 1 bag. Let's go. Big push. Big push. US30. Big push. Let's go. Big push. Let's go. US30. Here we go. We got 3 trades open. We've taken 1 position already. We took about 5 points on that. $300. We got a pullback. Where are we at right now? Let me see. I'm going to get in right now. I'm in at 5. I'm in. I'm in again. And I'm in one last time. So I've taken a total of 7 trades. Let's go. We're in major profit. We are in major profit on this trade right here that I took. Okay, we're going to be patient. Okay, we're going to be patient. We're going to be patient. We're going to wait. We're going to be patient. We're in these trades, guys. We're in these trades. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. We got 3 minutes left, 4 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. This is a structured trade situation. On most of your brokers, this is 33,500. On most of your brokers, this is 33,500. Okay, so we're about 25 points off, like I told you. She's respecting that 33,500. She's respecting that 33,500. 33,450, 33,75 on Black Bull. We're about to get a big push up, guys. We're about to get a big push up. We're about to close these trades, and we're done. Let's go. Yep, here we go. Here we go. Here's our push-up. Let's go. Let's go. And I'm going to record the screen here so you guys can see exactly what's about to happen here. Let's go. Big push up. Big push up. Let's go US30. Big push up. Big push up. Let's go. I have 3 trades in profit, 3 trades in profit, 3 trades not in profit. I'm at about break even right now, where again I can close out all positions and still be in profit. We got a minute left on this candle. We're obviously respecting 33,500. 33,500 we're respecting. Let's go. Let's go. I'm in profit right now. I'm in about $1,000 in profit. If I close out all my positions, losing 3 trades. $37 seconds left in this candle. $22 seconds left in this candle. Let's go. There we go. Big push. There we go. Let's go. Push up to the green. Here we go. Let's go. That's what we want. That's what we want. Let's go. I'm going to close out some of these here, guys. I'm going to close out the ones that honestly were negatives. I'm going to close them out into small profits. Then I'm going to let the other ones ride. Again, take your profits, guys. Take your profits. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm about to close out some of these here in profit. We got 4 minutes left. Here we go. Yep, that's the push we wanted. Boom. Boom. We are done, guys. We are done. 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 I'm closing out everything. Closed out everything. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 trades. 5,479 for the day. Let's go. Let's go. Awesome. That's it. In and out. And I don't care what she does for the rest of the day. I don't care if she shoots to the moon. I don't care if she falls to the ground. That's it. That's how we roll. Get in and out. That's it. Nothing else concerns me, guys. No fear of missing out. Nothing. We got in, got our bag, and that's how we go. That's what we do. Again, thank you guys so much. Like I said, really prepare for the rest of the week. Get ready for Monday, and we're gonna go strong. We're gonna go strong Monday. Get ready, and get this thing moving. Thank you guys so much. Have an amazing rest of the week, and see you guys at the top. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.